Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a pattern profile in Autodesk Inventor and construct this 3D basket in Autodesk Inventor software. Now let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. For first, we'll construct a new plane. So go to Plane, take Offset from Plane, go to Origin and select the XY plane. So this will be the front view plane. Take here a distance of 75 mm. So a new plane will be generated. Press OK. Select this new plane. Go to Create Sketch. Here go to Line command. Make a line joining the center. One line here. Escape. Go to line once again. From this center point, make one more line. Escape. Now go to Equal Constraint. Select this line and this line. Select this and this. So all three lines will be equal to each other. Now we'll define the dimension. Go to Dimension. So this dimension will be 10 mm. So both these lines will also be 10 mm. Now define the angle. Select this and this. Angle here will be 60. This and this. This also 60 degree. Escape. Now go to Line command and here construct a line. Escape. Go to Dimension. Define this dimension as 3 mm. Escape and drag this. Now go to Coincident. Select the center point, the green point and this end point. Escape. Now similarly we will make line profiles here also. Go to Line. Make one line here. Okay. Similarly one line here. Go to Line command. Okay. And here. Escape. Now go to perpendicular constraint. Select this and this. So it will be perpendicular. Similarly select this and this and this and this. Okay. Now go to Dimension. Select this. Right click. Go to Aligned and give a dimension 1.5 mm. Escape. Now we don't want to define this, so go to Equal. Select this and this. Similarly select this and this. Go to Dimension. Select any of the, right click, Aligned, take dimension 1.5 mm. Okay. Now escape. Now this is fully constrained sketch. Now here go to Arc command. Select this point and select this point. Make arc. So select this and select this point. Select this and this. Go to Dimension. Give this a radius of 15 mm. Go to Equal Constraint. Select this arc, select this arc and this arc. Now escape. Now select the center lines, this, all the three, and make them construction. This also, make it construction. Okay. Now finish sketch and go to Extrude command. Take here extrude of 15 mm. Take symmetric extrude and press OK. Now as we have made this profile offset from the main plane, the XY plane, so we will select now the exit plane. Go to Create Sketch. Take Circle command. From this center point, make a circle of diameter 150 mm and make one circle here of diameter 25 mm. Okay. Now go to View, Visual Style, change it to Wireframe. Go to Sketch, take the Line command. From the end point of this circle, make one line of dimension 5 mm. Now escape. Go to vertical constraint, select this point and select this point. Okay, Similarly, select this point, this point. Now go to coincident, select the circle and this end point. Okay, escape. Now go to trim command, trim this inner profile and this side profile. Okay, now trim this also. Okay, you can leave this or you can trim this complete profile. Only this profile will be left. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Now go to 3D model, revolve. So we'll revolve the profile, this profile with respect to this axis. Okay. Here we will take a new solid and press OK. Okay. Now we want this curve profile to be projected till here. So we'll go to combine, select this as base and select this as tool body. And here take intersection and apply. Okay. And exit. Now you can see from right view a curve profile is being made. Okay. Now we'll construct a new axis. Select the XY plane, go to create sketch. Now go to line command. From this center point, make one line, escape. Go to parallel constraint, select here parallel constraint, select this line and select this. Okay. Go to project geometry first, project this edge. Now go to parallel constraint, select this line and select this. So this line will be parallel to this. Okay. Now escape. Select this, make it construction. Select this, make it construction. Okay. Now finish sketch. Now go to axis command and select this. So new axis will be generated. Select this. You can hide this plane one. Select this. Right click. Turn off the visibility. Now we want to pattern this profile. Okay. So to pattern this profile, first give the radius. Go to fillet command. Take here a fillet radius of 1.5 mm. Go to edge selection. Rotate the view. Select these edges. This. Okay. Similarly, the bottom edges. This. All three. And okay. Okay. Now rotate. Now we want to pattern this complete profile. So to pattern this complete profile, we will not use the normal pattern profile. Go to modify. Here go to copy object and here select repaired geometry and select this complete body. Okay. And press OK. Now from modify we will select move body and here we will select rotate about line and select this line. Go to body and select this body and here we will define the angle as 7.5 mm, 7.5 degree and apply. Okay. Exit. Now again go to modify, copy object, select this body, go to repaired geometry. Okay. Go to modify once again, move body and select this. From here go to rotate about line and select the same axis, new axis. So this is the new axis which we have generated and here degree will be 7.5. Okay, and apply. Now exit. Now we have made 3 pattern. Now we will make 3 more. So for 3 more, go to modify, copy objects, select all the 3 objects, go to repair geometry and press OK. Now go to modify, move objects, select all the 3 objects, body 1, body 2 and body 3. From here select rotate about line, select the axis and take 7.5 into 3. Okay, and apply. Now exit. Now as it is complete one, to make to combine all the profiles, go to combine, select all the bodies. Okay, one by one select all the bodies and press OK. So now it is complete body. Now go to modify copy object. Now you can see it is selecting this complete as one body. Select this and here go to repair geometry and OK. This time we will do one time only. Go to modify, move body, select this and here go to rotation axis. This time we will select y axis as rotation axis and 7.5 degree and apply. Okay. Now exit. Go to combine once again and select this body and this body. Okay. Now this complete is one body and here go to circular pattern, select both the bodies, body selection, go to rotation axis, select y axis and here give a count of 22 and press OK. So this will be the final profile. Now go to front view, you can see the pattern profile. Go to home. Now we will construct this profile on the top. So go to part 4, front plane and here go to plane and select the YZ plane, rotate the view and select the top edge. Okay, so new plane will be generated at the top edge. So this will be the edge. Rotate, select this plane, go to create sketch, rotate, go to circle command. From this center point, make here a new circle of diameter 152 mm. Escape. Now finish sketch. Now here we will select the XY plane, go to create sketch, rotate. Now go to project geometry and project this circle, the 152 dash circle. So straight line will be generated. Now take a circle command. From this center point, make a circle of diameter 3 mm. Escape. Or here delete this. Go to polygon. Select here and make a polygon of 6 sides. Exit. Go to dimension. Define this as 3 mm and escape. Now go to vertical or horizontal constraint. Select any of this. Okay. Escape. Select this again. Delete. Go to dimension and define this again as 3 mm. Now go to circle command. Select here and make a circle of dia 3 and go to circular pattern. Select this, go to axis and select this point. So count will be of 6 and press OK. Okay. Now go to finish sketch and take sweep command. Select these as profile to sweep, this and this and this also. Go to path and select this 152 dash path. Okay, and press OK. So this will be the profile. Now select this and hide. Okay. Now we want to make a close profile at bottom also. So for bottom, go to plane, select the exit plane and here also select this base point. So a new plane will be generated. Select this new plane, go to create sketch, go to circle command. From this center point, make a circle of diameter 125 mm. Take 3D model, extrude, and here take extrude of 5 mm. And here take symmetric. Go to front view. Now you can see the base and press OK. OK. Rotate the view. Now select this, right click, turn off the visibility. Similarly, select this, right click, turn off the visibility. Select this sketch also. Select OK. Select from here and turn off the visibility. Now define the color. From here we'll go at last and select yellow pine. So this will be the color, like a wooden basket. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a pattern basket profile in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you liked the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.